Hello ladies, hello gentlemen. Welcome to another vloggy vlog. Welcome to another vloggy vlog. I'm riding a motorcycle in Brooklyn. Little Brooklyn, New York action. Yeah, I go extra loud on this block just to you know, show my authority. It's important. Look at this madness. Nobody's showing turn signals. Oh, there they are. Come on, boys and girls. For the love of sweet Pete, turn. What are you doing, Toxie? For the love of sweet succulent Christ. Here we go. Let me make this light. Because you see, this person is freaking driving like Miss Daisy. Here we are. We're a little aggressive, but at the same time, you know, it's important. It's important to be aggressive at times, because if you're too passive, you know, what's the baby Jesus in that? You know what I mean? There's no baby Jesus in being too passive. I'm gonna stop right here. There we go. Here we are. Do one of these maneuvers. Then go to the right. Come on, Infinity. I Beast? No, you don't, bruh. You're going 32. You ain't no I Beast. Here we are. Somebody actually got pulled over? Why? How? I've never seen anybody get pulled over there. Madness. Well, that's a good thing to see, because maybe that will make me calm my breasts and not go as fast, you know what I mean? Look at this beautiful, beautiful day. It's a little bit chilly. I'm gonna admit it to you guys. It's like 40. No, it's like 39. So it's not the warmest potato in the frickin' in the bushel. But it's alright. Because I'm wearing my buddy Birdie Bird's warm gloves. Woohoo! Oh man, there's no feeling like getting off of work and just fucking going home. I'm so excited. I'm gonna hit the gym. I'm gonna do an hour of wiggling at the gym, and then it's gonna be paper bike time. Like pretty much exactly the same thing I said this morning in the vlog, but repeated. Now it's gonna be actually happening, as opposed to just a plan. Always nice when a plan follows through and happens. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful, beautiful, warm little day for a ride. That's a lie. Oh man, I cannot wait to go camping. I am so ready for a little camping action. I am so ready for just being warm and hot on the bike, like just sweating. Like, it's funny because right now the concept of sweating on the bike is foreign, you know? It's a foreign concept. I'm gonna slow down. Smells like some sweet, sweet ganja around here. Savagery. Here we are. go. Sweet, sweet, slow speed. Don't want to go too fast now because you might pull your pants. Look at this person. He's confused. Not me though. I am not confused by any means. I am just using all 3 lanes. That's all. Whoa, a little burn out there. My buddy is at that spot right there, Beer Karma. It's alright. It's alright. I shall text him. I could go there, but then I'll have to turn around and do this and that. But whatever. I was gonna say hello to my friend, but I won't, because this is a selfish ride. I cannot believe I just did like a mini drift. Well, because the tires are freaking cold. What are you doing, you freaking idiot? Son of a breadbasket. But yeah, I just did a little drift because the tires are cold. Look, the engine is still low, so that means it's not up to 125 degrees. What are you gonna do? You know, sometimes the engine is just cold, and that's what you have to deal with. That's fine. Nobody's too upset. All right, boys. All right, girls. Weird little, quick little zoom zam, but it is what it is at times. Sometimes the vlogs are zoomy zammy. Bye now.